Hello students, let us continue the topic atomic structure. Today we are going to see about subatomic particles. The discoveries in the 20th century prove that atoms are of smaller components. They are electron, proton and neutron. An electron from the hydrogen atom is same as the electron from the carbon atom, which means both are same. Then protons and neutrons of all elements have the same characteristics. These particles make up the atom called subatomic particles. Let us learn about proton. The proton is the positively charged particle and it is located at the nucleus. Its positive charge is of the same magnitude as that of the electron's negative charge. Neutron. Neutron is inside the nucleus. The neutron does not have any charge. Except hydrogen, the nucleus of all atoms contain neutrons. Protons and neutrons are the two types of particles in the nucleus of the atom, and they are together said to be nucleons. Electron. This is a negatively charged particle. Electrons revolve around the nucleus of the atom in specific orbits. The mass of the electron is negligible as compared to that of the proton or neutron. Hence, the mass of an atom depends on the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. The total negative charge of the electrons outside the nucleus is equal to the total positive charge in the nucleus, which makes the atom electrically neutral. Let us learn about the charge and mass of the subatomic particle. Proton. It is discovered by Goldstine and its symbol is P. It has a charge of 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 and its mass is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27. Neutron. It is discovered by James Chadwick. Its symbol is N and its charge is 0. The mass of the neutron is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27. The next one is electron. It was discovered by J.J. Thomson and its symbol is E and charge is minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 and mass is 9.11 into 10 power minus 31. Let us see about atomic and mass number. If all the elements are made up of same subatomic particles, how will a carbon atom differ from an iron atom? The leftmost picture shows the carbon atom and the next one shows the iron atom. Further investigations led to the discovery that number of protons inside the nucleus of an atom determines what element it is. For example, if the nucleus has only one proton, then it is said to be hydrogen atom. If it has 8 protons, then it is oxygen atom. Let us see about atomic number. The number of electrons or protons in an atom is called atomic number of that atom, and it is represented by the letter Z. If we know the atomic number of an atom, we can find the number of electrons or protons in it. See the pictures. The nucleus of hydrogen atom has one proton around which revolves around one electron. It means its atomic number is 1. See the next helium atom. There are 2 protons in the nucleus and 2 electrons revolving in the orbit. So the atomic number of helium is 2. Can you able to find the atomic number of oxygen? Yes, it's 8. Next, let us see about mass number, which are otherwise known as atomic mass. We have seen that mass of an atom is concentrated in its nucleus. From this, we can get the mass number. It is equal to the sum of the number of protons and the number of neutrons in the nucleus. So we get the mass number with the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons. Lithium atom contains 3 protons and 4 neutrons. Hence, its mass number is 7. The same way, oxygen has 16 as its mass number. Potassium, the mass number is 39. For neon, the mass number is 20. While writing the symbol of an element, its atomic number and mass number also written. For example, see the carbon symbol. It is represented by the letter C. At the top of it, its atomic number should be represented. And below it, its atomic mass should be given. Thank you.